Hello friends, on this video right I'm going to show you how you can use swipe gesture on Motorola phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, here click on setting, then from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and here on the last option you can see system, so click on system, or if you don't find the option, then here is the search setting. You can search here for the system. Okay, then tap on system, then after that from here you can see the option of the gestures. The second point is the gesture, so you have to click on this second point on gesture. When you move on second point gesture, here you can see this option of this system navigation, so click on this system navigation. After that, here the first option you can check here, gesture navigation. It says to go home, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to switch apps. Swipe up from the bottom, hold, then release. To go back, swipe from either the left or right edge. Okay, so just click on this point. Then after that, it says if you want to go home button, then you have to swipe up like this, and if you want to switch apps, then it says swipe from the button and hold. So you have to swipe the button, then you have to hold. Okay, and from here you can check this notice. Okay, if you don't know how to use, then you can check from here. And friends, if you want to use this 3 button, then the second option is the 3 button. On the down you can see here is the 3 button, and slide gesture, here you can see the swipe gesture. Okay, so you can slide easily like this. Here it's working. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.